Welcome to the new series of my Gujarat episodes, where I am on an unforgettable 9-day motorcycle ride across the vibrant state of Gujarat, from a dream come ferry ride across the sea to the salt deserts and to the international borders, learning new lessons in life. How I learned the importance of food, meeting new people, visiting ancient temples, and to the world's tallest statue, covering a total distance of 4,000 kilometers solo. This journey is packed with stories and adventures. If you have slipped any of these stories, do watch it in the playlist tag on the screen now. As my previous episodes was about the Modera Sun Temple and Rani Ki Vav, which has a detailed explanation about the architecture and the history of it. If you have still missed the episodes, do watch the same in the card that pops out now. Your support is the only chance of getting this video reaching into many more. As always, keep supporting and let's hit the road together one day.
The Statue of Unity. A towering tribute to India's Iron Man nestled on the banks of the serene Narmada River in Gujarat. The Statue of Unity stands as a proud symbol of national integration and leadership. Towering at 182 meters, it's the tallest statue in the world, nearly twice the height of the Statue of Liberty. But it's not just its height that makes it remarkable. It's the story behind it. The statue honors Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's Iron Man, who played a crucial role in unifying over 560 princely states after independence. Without him, India's map would have looked very different. Constructed with over 70,000 tons of cement, 1,800 tons of reinforced steel, and 1,700 tons of bronze cladding, the structure is a marvel of modern engineering. It took 4 years and the relentless efforts of thousands of skilled workers to bring this vision to life. Visitors can experience the monument's grandeur both inside and out. Elevators take you to an observation deck at 153 meters. Offering stunning panoramic views of the Vindhyachal and Satpura mountain ranges. As well as the vast Sardar Sarovar Dam. Beyond the statue itself, the complex offers unique experiences. The jungle safari, home to exotic wildlife species. The Valley of Flowers, where vibrant blooms stretch endlessly. And as night falls, the light and sound show tells the story of India's independence and Patel's pivotal role. The Statue of Unity is more than a monument, it's a reminder of leadership, courage, and the strength found in unity. For travelers seeking inspiration, it stands as a beacon, much like the man it honors. So if Gujarat is calling, don't miss the chance to stand at the feet of history and look up in awe at the Iron Man who helped shape the nation.
This lift is built in such a way that it goes 48 floors within 35 seconds. Man. Exit, Thanks. This is all the lift itself. So many lifts here. 48 floors, 35 seconds. Crazy. Uptime. So we came down. I did print a photo of mine. So there is auto service, EV service, and there is cycle service. There is cycle service. So this 8 kilometers where we park, from there either you have to walk down here or take the cycle rickshaw. Rickshaw is a bit expensive, but the bus is free. So which is included in the ticket, that is 380 rupees, which is for the up and down. I'm just waiting for the bus. There are 3 buses now there. I have to catch one to go out. My bus said it will stop here. The bus came in. We're done. So we came down till here. Actually this terminal, which is 10, is only going to the exit directly, but that 4th terminal is going to the jungle safari. So I've anyway come here, try to do that too. So I have to walk till there now. This is the safari.